Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I am reviewing for you BBB stamping plates. I got 3 new plates. They actually have 6, but I'm dividing this review into 2 different parts. So in this one I have plates 071, 72, and 73, and these are from the XL, the extra large series. Okay, now let's take a look at these. I have already used these for the design, so I've already removed the blue film. As you know, they all come with that blue protective film. Let me go ahead and show you the first one here. It's a beautiful summer theme with some beach elements here. Oh, look at that, gorgeous. I love the hula girl here. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous images, and quite large too. I mean, look, see, I have my long nails still, and there's this flamingo, the sailboat. As always, you have the plastic backing, protective backing on the back as well. Beautiful plate here. I love this citrus. I mean, this could be anything, right? An orange, a lemon, grapefruit, anything you want, but I absolutely love this plate. Perfect for the summer. So yes, like I said, I've already tested these out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do swatches for all of them. Going to pick a few images to do the swatches, and then I'm going to leave you at the end with some designs that I did actually on tips, and I did kind of copy those off of their website where they have these. I will have the links to these down in the description bar below, and remember that I have my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. So here comes number XL-072. And yes, we know Born Pretty Store has one similar to this one, but these are, I think, it's such a good idea to come up with images like this. They make for beautiful designs. They're kind of like disappearing images. Great ideas for these. I am loving these. Beautiful. There it goes again. And then the last one for today, XL-073. Okay, here we go. XL-073. Look at these images, guys. Aren't those beautiful? So we have, these are some small individual images here, but then we have some that would be, as they're individuals, but they would be pretty much full cover. The girls, look at those, guys. Yes, so I can't wait. I did do some designs with all of these, but I'm going to try to pick up the images that I didn't use for any of the designs. So I'll go ahead and leave you with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here are all the clip pictures that I swatch up close and in person. Check out the surfer girl. I really like that image. I didn't have anything related to this theme. When it came to some summer theme plates, I really like that surfer girl there. And of course the flamingo. Who doesn't love those? And look at the shark right under her float there in the hula girl. So this was plate number 71, and 72 I was trying to make out what this one was, but it looks like a fairy. Yeah, so these are either the disappearing images, and I don't know how many of you are Marvel fans out there, but this sure does reminds me of that Avengers with Thanos, you know, snapping them fingers and people just kind of those superheroes disappearing, just turning into sand up in the air. But and look at the mermaid. I went ahead and stamped this one twice because when I swatched this one, I put it right on top of the bottom of the champagne glass. Love that one. And then number 73, look at these. I mean, now this is so curious. This is quite a whimsical stamp plate, that one right there, 73. So another one with the ladies, and this lady over the moon, Tina. Yeah, you're gonna have to get this plate. Moon Baby Girls. She's gonna love this stamping plate. So this is all I have for you guys. Remember that I will have the links down in the description bar below, and you may use my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. I will leave you with some designs, some images at the end of the video, so you guys can see the designs that I did using these plates. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me this gorgeous stamping plates to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.